What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. The last video I painted, I had some pinks and magentas and blues, and my wife saw it and she really loved it. So she wants me to try to make a set. So I'm gonna do that, but we're not gonna do the same technique. We're gonna do something a little different. So I'm still got my same base coat. I still have all the same colors: titanium white, a magenta, fluorescent pink, and phthalo blue. We're gonna layer. Majority of base coat will be from the top half of the cup up. So the majority of the color is just going to be in a little pocket here. So we're going to have the base coat on the bottom, the pocket of our layered colors here, and then the rest of the base coat underneath. If that doesn't make sense right now, it will definitely make sense here in a second. All the paints are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And in cups like this, where there's barely any paint, it's maybe like a half of a drop of silicone. But in cups that are full, like this 3 ounce here, there's a whole drop, maybe a drop and a half of the OGX. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did last time. Layer the warmer colors, and then have the cooler colors with a barrier between them so they don't mix. The only thing is this paint is really thin, so I'm afraid this stream is going to punch straight through. So I'm trying to drip from like really slow. So I don't want the stream to punch straight through the red, because that's then kind of not giving me what I'm looking for. Just using that as a barrier. Probably gonna do one more pink and red and then white. Oh man, I didn't put the white between those two. Oh well. Live and learn. Or don't learn. Alright, so just gonna take the rest of the base coat here. And it looks like we have like a whole lot of color in there now, but we definitely don't. There's not a lot of color. So we're gonna flip it over. Now I'm hoping that I got predominantly mostly cerulean blue as the background and kind of framing the piece, but having little delicate splashes of color going throughout it. I am seeing some green, which is not terrible. It's not very much though, because we only had that one little section that was kind of messed up. Trying to just shift this weight around just a little bit. All right. I got a lot of this blue. Normally I wouldn't want to do this because it's got a little bit of oil in it. So there's always that chance that it rejects from the canvas. But I've been lucky, testing my luck here recently, so I'm gonna just test my luck. We'll see. See how it goes. There's that. And we're just taking it all to the edges here, helping the colors spread. All right, so now I'm gonna take a torch. We're hoping to reveal some pinks, some really cool cells. All right, ooh. There we go, spin. So I torched it and then spun it quickly. That way the cells can continue to expand while it's turning. And I've found that that gives me some really interesting looks that I wouldn't be able to achieve otherwise. Like, that is wicked cool. I love that. That is almost exactly what I was hoping for. Oh my goodness. Let me get you down here and check it out, 'cause it's almost like kind of like exactly what was in my head. Really cool. This thing has some really cool lacing and then nice gradients between that fluorescent pink and the magenta. Really, really cool.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.